wish you a delightful day. Question everything: your love, your religion, your passion. If you don't have questions, you will never find answers. By Eliskova. Why Eliskova is thought like that? If you haven't questions, you will never find answers. How to find answers for these questions? Actually, my except and the brain is in the word except and the people believe is only and the easily method to solve these questions by reading books. It's the simple method to questions for the answers to find. And I like to reading books and I love to reading books. My hobby is reading books. And my favorite book is The Caravan Children by Enid Blynten. And it is translated Sinhala by Sudatruhan. The main characters are in this book the Belinda, Anna and the Michael. My favorite character is the Belinda. She is very joyful and the very simple girl. Actually, this is story about the caravan life, and the children's parents are decide to take a caravan and going many places to visit. And one day they are going to a farm. The children has many experience for going this caravan travel by a farm. That is experience to how to make butter and the cheese, and the experience to what is the life of a caravan, what is the life of farm animals like sambas. They have a most experience for that. Actually, I love this book mostly. It's a copywriting and the engaging new characters A to Z, and the characters are mostly fun, carrying a fun and enjoying us. Actually, I like that. Lately,